Here's the best financial advice I've ever learned from the Chinese. Scrolling kills purpose because builders create while others consume. Comfort kills courage because the biggest rewards are usually on the other side of risk. Pride kills growth because every expert was once a beginner. Envy kills gratitude because comparison keeps your eyes on someone else's journey. Distraction kills wealth because focus turns effort into results. Read that again, but this time reverse the words. Purpose kills scrolling. Courage kills comfort. Growth kills pride. Gratitude kills envy. Wealth kills distraction. Do you feel that?
The second version hits harder. It's not even close. Why? Because the first list is how most people try to win. Attack the problem head on, fight the bad habit, resist the urge, and it's exhausting. That's why most people fail by Friday. The second list is how the top 1% actually live. They don't spend energy fighting problems. They build something so powerful that the problem starves on its own. This changes everything. Most people wake up and ask, how do I stop scrolling? How do I stop wasting money? How do I stop procrastinating? Those are losing questions. Because every stop is a war you have to win 100 times a day. High performers ask one question instead. What am I building that's more important than those things? Darkness doesn't disappear because you punch it. Light makes darkness irrelevant. Same principle. You don't beat distraction by hating your phone. You beat it by having a goal so compelling that your phone feels boring. You don't beat overspending by downloading another budgeting app. You beat it by having a target so exciting, a business, a house, freedom from your job, that wasting money feels like stealing from your future self. Take money. Most people try to stop buying coffee, stop eating out, stop impulse Amazon orders. That works for 2 weeks, then willpower crashes. But give someone a real financial goal.
Say, I'm putting $50,000 toward a rental property. Suddenly, they don't need willpower. The math does the fighting for them. Goals kill waste, not discipline. Take fitness. Most people obsess over avoiding sugar and skipping fries. That's a diet. Diets fail, but pursue being strong. Pursue running a mile in under 6 minutes. Pursue showing your kids what capable looks like. Identity kills bad habits. When you see yourself as an athlete, junk food stops being tempting. It just becomes irrelevant. Take career. Most people try to stop procrastinating. They use Pomodoro timers, website blockers, to-do lists. All good, all temporary, but get obsessed with mastering a skill. Editing, coding, sales, design, and watch what happens. Suddenly you're waking up early to work on it. You're skipping Netflix because you want to practice. Purpose kills procrastination every single time. Here's why this works psychologically. The human brain is not designed for avoidance. Don't do that creates tension, anxiety, and eventually rebellion. But approach goals, pursuing something positive, that releases dopamine. That creates momentum. That feels like winning. Chasing a target is sustainable. Running from a consequence is not. Think about it. When you have a clear enough why, the how becomes obvious. You don't need 10 rules for your phone. You need one mission. You don't need another planner. You need one obsession. Maybe the problem isn't that your distractions are too strong. Maybe your purpose isn't strong enough yet. Maybe it's not that your comfort is holding you back. Maybe you just haven't found a reward worth being uncomfortable for. Maybe you don't lack discipline. Maybe you lack a future that excites you more than your present. That stings, but that sting is the start of real change. So here's the new rule. The next time you face a problem, do not start by asking, how do I get rid of this? Start by asking, what can I build that's stronger than it?
Not, how do I stop scrolling? What am I building that scrolling can't compete with? Not, how do I stop being lazy? What am I building that feels more urgent than rest? Not, how do I stop comparing myself to others? What am I building that makes their journey irrelevant to mine? That's the reversal. That's the lesson inside the quote. Most people spend their whole lives fighting weeds. The winners build gardens so healthy, the weeds can't survive. Now go build your garden.